I think it's an inspiration. What I've seen, a lot of people have been coming over here from what I can see, and they've looked at the whole workflow, and I think it's a next step. To have a smart factory and to show the visitors exactly what is possible, I think is a really, really good step, and it's proven to be this year. It's been great. I may look a little bit tired because we had the big party last night, so that was a really good one. The FESPA party, always amazing. Most of my team got in at 2 o'clock in the morning, but we're still ready to go. So I think overall the show has been incredible. Amsterdam is a great host city, lots of things to do outside of the show, but in the show, so many new technologies. We're talking about up to 70 new exhibitors. We've got over 80 new launches at the show. So many different things happening here. And it's just been fantastic to see. Here in Sportswear Pro, personalization experience, personalized makewear, those are just 3 things that I can see within 20 yards of this exact interview. So to us, it's always exciting, and we're always going to bring it for Berlin in 2025. We got so many plans. So effectively, as you know, we just did a show in Dubai, which went very well. We've got that show happening in January. We had the show in Brazil, which was last week. So we've been traveling a lot. That was very strong. You're talking, for example, about the show in Mexico as well. We've got so many things happening, particularly around personalization, which we think is one of the 4 biggest growth trends in the market, bar none. Berlin is going to be incredible. Well, obviously, you being based in Poland and then coming over to Berlin, it's very easy for Eastern Europe to get clearly into Berlin. A fantastic show, fantastic venue, and a really edgy, cool city, which I think actually fits with the personalization experience, because you've got lots of people in the region there who are really focused on it. So you're going to see so many more things. At the moment, around about 100 yards that way is the sales office, and basically there are queues of people trying to book stands. So it's a really good sign, but we need to keep on working harder to make sure it's going to be a great show.